Today I'm going to show you how to create a subflow to show errors that happen on a flow instead of like the generic red text that you get, and I'll show you this. I set up this flow in a way that it will fail on purpose to show you this error. So the end user just sees this. They have no idea what happened. But in reality, you get an email, if you have that set up, to the admin that says they didn't fill in the name. So what we will do is create a subflow to show them exactly that error in any custom text you want to pass along. So in this case, it's a screen flow, so we'll do a screen flow screen here. And then we're going to put in a display text. So from here, we're going to show three things. So I like to put in at the top, you can pass in any custom text. So you can use this in a variety of flows. And if you want to customize it in any way, you can do this. And the key thing on here is you want it for input, because you think about it, in the other flow, you're going to bring this information into this flow. So that's the way you can think about it. So there's this, and then we'll do fault message. So this will be the actual message that is showing like that they missed the name kind of thing. And this is again available for input. And I also like to put in the GUID, kind of like unique to that run kind of thing. So again, input. So if there's nothing passed along on this custom text, this will be blank. This will pass along the message and the call GUID. And I like to do the actual current date time as well, just for more reference. So save this. I like to call my subflows to start like this naming convention, and then what it is. So save that, activate, and then for this to actually show or be able to pick from it, you just have to refresh the flow you're on, so just save any changes because they'll be lost. So change this to freeform, drag a subflow over. So here's a subflow. You can name this whatever you'd like. And then here you can pass in text since we know exactly what happened. And the fault message from here, you pass it along. So you do flow, then fault message, and flow GUID, similar thing. This will be the interview GUID. As long as this is connected to something below, you can connect it to something else to create a fault path. So this fault would run if this fails for whatever reason. So do this one more time. So this will error out. We'll go to our subflow. So there's our custom text. Here's the exact reason why it failed. Here's an interview GUID and the date that I ran. So from here, they can go back and try to fix it. You could also get creative. You could have this options to like report this to someone else if you'd like. All right, let's go back and try it again, and to kind of show you what it looks like if you don't put anything in the custom text. Let's take that out, just to kind of show you what it looks like if you just don't want to put that in every time. So it's just an empty line, so it still shows their error message, that why it failed, interview GUID, and the name. Let's actually put the interview GUID there just so it's more apparent what it is instead of just a random string of characters. do that. Okay, last time. So now it's a little more straightforward what this string of characters is. So let me know if you have any questions. If you have any ideas on how to improve this kind of subflow for flow errors, let me know. Catch you next time.